But my dad works for money. He says, yeah, but that's why your dad's poor. He says, never work for this. This is what keeps people poor. This, the rupee, the peso, the yen, the yuan. He says, never work for this.
Imagine being caught in a loop where every dollar you make seems to disappear before it can truly benefit you. For many, this is the reality of living paycheck to paycheck. But what if there was a way to escape this cycle and take control of your financial future? Breaking free isn't about working harder or knowing everything, it's about changing the way you think. Shifting your mindset and embracing a few powerful principles can completely redefine your relationship with money. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaches, it's about rewiring your thinking to avoid common pitfalls and take actionable steps toward building the life you've always wanted. Before wealth can be achieved, a fundamental change in perspective is essential. Many believe that working longer or harder is the answer, but success lies in how we view money. The wealthy, as Kiyosaki emphasizes, see money as a tool for freedom and opportunity, not as an ultimate goal. Instead of focusing on saving every penny, ask yourself how your money can grow and work for you. This mental shift sets the stage for financial independence and positions you to focus on growth and opportunity rather than limitation. A practical strategy for progress is breaking your year into 90-day intervals. This approach simplifies goal setting and helps track your progress effectively. At the end of each cycle, reflect on your achievements and evaluate areas for improvement. Writing down your goals and staying accountable keeps you motivated and focused on long-term success. By celebrating small wins and refining your strategy along the way, you create a steady path toward financial freedom. Kiyosaki's methods also stress the balance between consistent effort and recovery. After each 90-day period, take a short break to recharge. Whether it's enjoying a hobby or simply resting, this downtime prepares you for the next phase. But it's important to limit this rest to avoid losing momentum. Use it as a tool to sustain progress rather than an excuse to pause indefinitely. Achieving financial freedom requires more than earning a paycheck. It's about making your money work for you. Kiyosaki highlights the importance of investments in building wealth and security. From real estate to stocks, cryptocurrencies, and mutual funds, there are countless ways to grow your money. Starting small is fine, but beginning early is essential. Every dollar invested is a step closer to independence and a secure future for you and your loved ones. Financial literacy, a cornerstone of Kiyosaki's teachings, is just as important as investing. Without a strong understanding of your finances, even the best opportunities can lead to loss. Begin by tracking your expenses and creating a budget. Expand your knowledge to include tax strategies, asset management, and debt control. The more you understand, the more empowered you become to navigate the complexities of personal finance and seize opportunities for growth. Good habits and discipline are important, but they must translate into results. If your efforts aren't yielding progress, be willing to adjust your approach. Success is rarely a straight path. It's a process of learning and adapting. Building multiple income streams, especially passive ones, is a reliable way to secure your financial future. Diversify your efforts to include rental income, dividends, or royalties, creating a safety net for unpredictable times. Taking calculated risks is part of the journey. Whether it's starting a business or exploring new investments, stepping out of your comfort zone leads to growth. Even failures provide valuable lessons that bring you closer to your goals. The greatest risk, as Kiyosaki notes, is staying stagnant, clinging to mediocrity instead of striving for more. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Your network is a reflection of your knowledge and aspirations. Avoid those who drain your energy or encourage complacency. Instead, invest in relationships that push you towards success. Understanding and leveraging debt is another critical skill Kiyosaki teaches. Not all debt is harmful. Strategic use of good debt can accelerate financial growth. For example, borrowing to invest in real estate or a business can generate returns that far outweigh the cost. However, managing debt requires discipline and financial literacy. Misusing it can lead to setbacks, but when applied wisely, it becomes a powerful tool for building wealth.
It's skills that make you rich, not money. But if you don't have the skills or the mindset, you're poor.
From your perspective, what has been the toughest battle that you fought on the journey of achieving financial freedom?
If you want to be rich and happy, don't go to school. Because schools teach you things to be not successful. And the biggest one is they punish you for making mistakes. And most school teachers are poor because they're afraid of making mistakes. We have to get free of our indoctrination into servitude and slavery. Go to school, get a job, work hard. Don't make mistakes. Save money. Savers are losers. Because the price of gold's going up, it doesn't mean gold's going up, it means the dollar's coming down. Real estate is going up because the dollar's coming down.
The tax code offers opportunities for those who understand it. The wealthy, as Kiyosaki explains, take advantage of legal tax benefits, such as deductions and depreciation, to retain more of their earnings. By educating yourself on these strategies, you can reduce liabilities and redirect those savings toward investments. It's not about avoiding taxes, but being smart about how you manage them. The foundation of lasting wealth lies in building assets, not liabilities. Assets such as rental properties or stocks generate income, while liabilities like personal luxury items drain resources. Focus on acquiring income-generating assets to create a system where your money works for you, paving the way to financial freedom. Financial independence isn't a distant dream, it's a choice. By shifting your mindset, setting clear goals, and taking deliberate action, you can overcome financial struggles and build a life of abundance. Believe in your ability to succeed, educate yourself continuously, and take bold steps toward your future. Your financial freedom depends on the actions you take today. Embrace these principles, invest in your growth, and trust the process. Success won't happen overnight, but with determination and persistence, it's within your reach. Every small step brings you closer to the life you've envisioned. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.